Today, we are going to share best home remedy to get rid of dandruff naturally. Later, in this video, we will also explain how and why this home remedy will work. So make sure to pay close attention to every second of this video as we are going to start. For this home remedy, you will need a few cloves of garlic and 1/2 cup of olive oil. Now, what you have to do is peel and crush the garlic cloves. Afterwards, add the crushed garlic to a saucepan with olive oil and heat the mixture for 5 minutes. Now, strain and let it cool down. Once the mixture gets cooled down, apply it to your scalp and leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes before rinsing. For best results, you have to repeat this method twice a week. Now, the question is, how and why garlic treatment will work for hair dandruff? Here's the answer to the question. Garlic contains antioxidants and phytonutrients that improve your immunity and prevent the onset of skin infections along with other health issues. It is known to prevent diseases like seborrhoeic dermatitis and dandruff. Applying garlic on your scalp can regulate the production of sebum and improve the flow of blood. This is how it removes the flaky skin and strengthens the root of your tresses. Also, garlic juice prevents the falling of hair and makes your tresses look shiny and thick. In our upcoming video, we will share how to use neem oil for hair dandruff. So stay tuned. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.